Hello hacker, my name is Luna. Today we will learn how to install Metasploit in VMware and also learn about DVWA, which is pre-installed in Metasploit. We will also see which type of attack we can run with DVWA in very short, and we will learn more about it in future videos. So without wasting more time, let's start our video. First, download the zip file from the link given in the description box of the video and extract it. Then go to VMware Workstation and click and open a new virtual machine, and open the virtual machine. After our virtual machine gets started, then we will first change its configuration as per our requirements. Then we will start the system and wait for its installation process. It will take some time, so grab a coffee. Now we will log into the system, as its default username and password is msfadmin. We will check, are we logged in or not, with the command pwd. Then we will type ifconfig to check the IP address. So this is our default IP address. Now we will go to the Kali Linux machine and in the Firefox browser type the IP address of the Metasploit. The IP address is 192.168.246.133. Now press enter. Let's go to the DVWA section to check the attack which we can run. The default username is admin and the password will be password. Now log into the system. Now we can see the instruction part, where every instruction is given that how to use it, you can read if you want. Then there is the setup section where we learn how to set new SQL database with the help of this tool. Then there is a brute force option by which we can perform brute force attacks. Then we can ping IP addresses to know the active status of the IP address. With the help of SQL injection option, we can perform SQL injection and blind SQL injection. There are many more tools are available like XSS attack, PHP admin login panel and many more, which we are going to learn in the upcoming videos. If you have any query regarding the installation of Metasploit, leave a comment in the comment box, we will try our best to help you with the solution.